Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to combine multiple sets into one using something called the union operation. When you are dealing with data that comes from different sources, like users from two different platforms, tags from multiple categories, or product IDs from separate inventories, you often need to merge everything into one unified collection. In Python, we do this using union, which combines all unique items from two or more sets into a single set. Duplicates are automatically removed because sets only keep unique values. Let's now break this down and see it in action. Go to PyCharm. Right-click on the set directory, choose new then Python file. Let's give it a name set_union. We'll start by creating two sets of fruits. Let's define the first one. Create a variable called fruits_a equals within curly braces. Inside the set, type within double quotes apple, within double quotes banana, within double quotes cherry. Now define the second set. Create a variable called fruits_b equals within curly braces. Inside the set, type within double quotes cherry, within double quotes mango, within double quotes orange. Let's print both sets to verify. Print function within quotes type set a colon, add a comma, then fruits_a. Next line, print function within quotes set b colon, add a comma, then fruits_b. Let's run the program. You will see both sets printed, but cherry appears in both sets. That's important because union will handle that. Now to combine these two sets, we use the union operator. Let's create a variable called all_fruits equals fruits_a.union. Within brackets, pass fruits_b. This line combines both sets and removes any duplicates. Now print the result. Print function within quotes combined set colon, comma, then all_fruits. Let's run the program. And here's the output. Combined set curly brace apple, banana, cherry, mango, orange. Notice no duplicates and the result includes all unique items from both sets. The cherry is present in both sets, but after the union only one instance is added to the final set. Perfect. There is also a shorter way to do union using the pipe character. It looks like a vertical bar. Usually above the backslash key on your keyboard, we type create a variable called result_pipe equals fruits_a space pipe symbol space fruits_b. Now print it using print function within quotes union with pipe colon, comma, result_pipe. Run the program. You will get the same result, all unique items from both sets. So both the .union method and the pipe operator give you the same outcome. I prefer the union method because it offers readability. Use whichever feels cleaner to you. Let's say you have 3 or more sets. You can keep chaining them together. Let's create a third set. Type fruits_c equals within curly braces, within double quotes, kiwi, double quotes, mango, double quotes, banana. Now perform a full union. Create a variable called total_fruits equals fruits_a.union. Within brackets, fruits_b, close bracket, then .union again, fruits_c. Print the result using print function. Within quotes, union of 3 sets colon, comma, total_fruits. Let's run the program. And you will see one clean set with all the unique fruits combined from A, B and C. Duplicates like banana and mango appear only once. Let's recap what we learned. The union operation in Python allows us to combine multiple sets into one while removing duplicates automatically. You can use either the union method or the pipe symbol for shorter syntax. And you can chain union calls to merge 3, 4 or even more sets. This technique is super helpful when aggregating data, like merging tags, usernames, product sets, or tracking unique visitors across multiple systems. In the next lecture, we will learn about intersection, how to find items that appear in both sets. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.